How to add emergency contact on your lock screen. Open the settings of your device. Scroll down. Find the option for safety and emergency and tap on it. Tap on the option emergency information that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to add the emergency contacts. First of all, enter the name. Tap on the field of name. Now over here, what you have to do is simply enter the name of your emergency contact. Once you do that, tap on the option OK. Tap on the option Add Contact that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see the contacts with phone numbers saved on your phone. Tap on the phone number of the contact that you would like to add. Once you do that, you can also add informations by tapping on the option Add Information. You'll be able to add the address, blood type, allergies, medication, organ donor, medical notes. After you do that, the emergency information will be added. Generally, in the Android devices, you'll be able to find the option for Show on Lock Screen. If that option is available, what you have to do is toggle it on. For other Android devices, that option will not be available. Those information will by default be available on your lock screen. Like this, you'll be able to add emergency contact to your lock screen on Android. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.